What's going down, guys? It's your boy DJ Marcelo Stowe, and in this video I'm going to show you how to utilize our Capture project that is included with our pre-programmed SoundSwitch Diamond project and further projects. Now, Capture is a 3D visualizer that is made for you to design your room and program your lights without simply setting them up. Now, what we did for our pre-programmed project is we included a presentation file for you to then activate that light show and program your lights from the comfort of your home without setting up all your other lights. So you don't need to download Capture. Once you purchase the project, you'll get your download link. So we're going to go ahead and download the project. Now, once the project is downloaded, you want to open up the product's location. So mine's download straight to my downloads folder. So I'm going to go ahead and unzip that folder. So when you unzip the folder, you'll see now located within inside that folder, we have a D3.2 Capture project and then the Diamond 3.2 SoundSwitch project. So in this video, we're just going to be working with the Capture project. So we're going to go ahead and extract the Capture project now, because it will be a zip file as well. Once the file is extracted, you can now just double click on this Capture project. And you want to hit allow. And now your visualizer will pop up. Now, these scenes were recorded during Diamond 3.0 release. So that's why these BPM spots on the side here aren't working. But if you then want to connect the Capture project to SoundSwitch, you can hit this external mode. Now, to make SoundSwitch send over signal to Capture, there are a few steps you need to do. So first, you want to open up SoundSwitch. You can see here mine is already connected. That's why my light show went black. But if your lights are not connected, you want to open up SoundSwitch, go to your settings, go to hardware, and enable ArtNet and localhost ArtNet node. Now, this will allow for your lights to send signal over to the Capture project. So then once you enable that, you can then jump over into your edit and see all your scenes you got going on here. You can even zoom out. You can move around, change the angle a little bit. So if I want like that angle there, and now if I hit play on SoundSwitch, I can see those lights in full action. I come here and see different angles. I can zoom in, have fun with it. Feel free to come in here. One of my favorite things to do with the visualizer project is to simply just come in here and do some of the SoundSwitch auto scripting to see if it actually makes a show that I want to keep and I think is decent. So to do that, you can come over here. I'm just going to go to a random song. So for this, we're just going to look for a high energy song. So I'm going to jump up here to 128 and we can do You Make Me Feel Good. Now you can see the show is already scripted. Now if I hit auto script here and jump to a different preset, so let's go techno. And then we overwrite and just hit auto, we can see it gave us a new light show. And now I can look at that show and see if I actually want to keep that show, if I want to make any adjustments to the show. But a cool way to utilize the auto script feature in your own programming skills to then script some of your own songs as well. So I hope you guys liked this video. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe down below. And if you have any questions, make sure you hit us up at info@bothlightingusa.com or just go to our website, bothlightingusa.com. Thank you. Peace.